Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be presenting my tech tool and I will be using Microsoft Sway. I named it a dynamic tool for educators. So I am excited to introduce to you Microsoft Sway. It's a unique and powerful tool that helps educators create interactive and visual appealing presentations, reports, and also newsletters. Unlike traditional slide-based presentation tools like PowerPoint, Sway offers a more dynamic and web-friendly approach to organizing and presenting content. In this tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to use Microsoft Sway, its key features, and how it can be effectively applied in an educational setting. Hopefully, by the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how Sway works and why it can be a valuable tool in the classroom. So, what is Sway? Microsoft Sway is a free web-based tool that allows educators to create interactive presentations, newsletters, and reports. Sway focuses on a fluid, web-friendly design that is easy to customize and share. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through Sway to using Sway to enhance classroom instruction and communication. Um, this is an excellent tool for educators who want to create engaging learning materials without spending too much time on the design. So this is just pretty quick and easy to work with. Now, in order to create a sway, you're just going to want to go on the page. Um, you can go in and type sway.official.com. And then you can either sign up with your Microsoft account, or if you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create a free one. And you would just click create new. Um, and then once you're inside, it gives you a title that reflects on the topic you'll be touching on. And then once you type in any topic and you add a background, and then you can get pictures here. It automatically organizes it into a storyline, which allows you to structure your presentation in a way that flows really naturally. Um, you can also add headings here, the text box down below for whatever you want to add to your slides. With different descriptions, explanations, whatever you want. You can add bullet points, as you can see here, numbers, different links you want to add. Um, you can also add your images here. Let me just move this. Also pick any images you want to add here. You can also rearrange these cards by dragging or dropping certain things. There's like a delete button right here where you can get rid of anything you would like. And then once you want to see the how your thing is coming along, you can click on storyline or design and it will just show you your progress and how it's working and how it's going. After you completed um adding an image here, your title, and then also your text down here, you can go ahead and share it. And then it just gives you who you want to share it with specific people or groups, those in your organization with the link, anyone with the link. Um, you can invite people either to view it or to edit it. Here's a copy link. You get embedded code, and then you are able to share that link with anyone. So that is how you maneuver this. It's pretty easy, honestly. Um, it even helps you with the topic. So let's just say I wanted to create a sway for technology in classrooms. An outline, it'll ask you a couple questions to kind of, I guess, get a good uh taste of what you want to create. Create outline. It's gonna take a while for it to load. Or for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna let it load, but it gives you a really good outline and different type of resources you can use. And I think it's a really quick tool and I like it a lot. Educational applications of Microsoft Sway. So Sway is an excellent tool for educators offering very different applications in the classroom. Here's a couple of examples. Lesson plans. Teachers can create interactive lesson plans with multimedia elements, um, with videos, images, and text with that. Student projects. Encourages students to use Sway for digital reports, portfolios, or even presentations. Classroom newsletters as well to share updates with parents in a visual appealing format. And then research presentations. Students can, showcase their research in a more modern interactive format. Another alternative for PowerPoint project. And then teachers also can use this for professional development. Teachers can use Sway to document training materials and share best practices. So that's great. As for the cost information, Microsoft is accessible to everyone, but here is how the pricing would work. So it's the free version is available to anyone with a Microsoft account, offering all essential features. And then Office 365 subscription is an organization that can access additional features with a paid Microsoft Office 365 plan. But anyone can use this and it's, accessible for anyone. So after exploring Microsoft Sway, I found that it has pretty much of both strengths. And there's a couple limitations, but here's my opinion. I'd say it's pretty easy and intuitive to use. Um, it's also web-based, so no need for any downloads or anything. Or installations, there's none required for that. It automatically formats content for a polished professional look. It's easy accessible from like any device you want to use, making it like a remote collaboration simple. It's also great for storytelling, lesson planning, and classroom engagement. I guess the cons for this would be less control over slide by slide layout compared to PowerPoint, and it requires internet connection to edit or create presentations, and it's limited offline functionality compared to other Microsoft tools. But overall, I mean, the Microsoft Sway is a great tool for educators who want to create visually appealing and interactive content without spending too much time on formatting and design. So, in conclusion, um, Microsoft Sway is a powerful free tool that offers a fresh approach to creating and sharing presentations. Whether you're designing for a lesson plan or creating a classroom newsletter or guiding students in making digital reports, Sway just provides an innovative and efficient platform. Um, uh, and then It advantages over PowerPoint for certain tasks and why other educators should really try it. Um, but yeah, like I said, over time and time again, it's really simple to use this and it's super duper engaging for a to perform like any present information. I highly recommend trying Sway. It's a great alternative to other tools like PowerPoint, and it's particular for interactive and multimedia heavy content. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys can use Microsoft Sway useful in your teaching journey. Thank you.